Welcome back to your lessons on English Phonics with Pop-Up Tutor. My name is Mary and I will be taking you through some basic sounds. This collection of lessons will teach you to recognise and say 4 sounds. E, V, R, B. This last video is for the B sound. As I go through the sounds and words, say them along with me so you can get used to them. So our sound today is the B sound. Have a look at the pictures on the slide and see if you know any of the words already. So here we have a bawling baby, a breathtaking beach, a blue butterfly, and some bold bowls. Can you repeat those after me? Ready? Baby, beach, butterfly, bowl. Good job. Here are some more words that start with the B sound. Have a look at the pictures and see if you know any of the words already. So here we have a bunch of bananas, a boring bench, a brilliant bird, and bursting bubbles. Can you repeat those after me? Ready? Banana, bench, bird, bubble. Well done. Here is a short story. I'm going to read this short story to you, and I would like for you to follow along on the screen. The words in red are the words we have just learned, so if you want to join in and say those with me, feel free. Otherwise, carefully listen for our B sounds. Benny, a cheerful baby, joined his family for a beach picnic. As they sat on a beach bench, Benny giggled at the sight of a blue butterfly and clapped as his mum blew bubbles. The bubbles burst as they touched Benny's hair and clothes. His sister, Bella, built a sand castle, and Benny watched tiny crabs scuttling along the shore, running away from the birds circling above. The family enjoyed delicious bananas from a bowl, eating as the sun set. As the beach grew dark, the birds and butterflies flew away. It was getting too cold for Benny, who was only a baby. They left, leaving behind only footprints and the sound of Benny's laughter. A perfect day at the beach. Good listening. Well done! You have made it to the end of the lesson. Good job with your B sounds today. Keep practicing your E, V, R, and B phonics with the games on the Pop-Up Tutor website, and book a lesson with your tutor when you're ready. See you next time for a new collection of sounds.